Hi, I'm Eric with ICI Homes. I'm out here in Nocatee today in our new community called Timberland Ridge. Behind me is our Arden floor plan. It's over 2,400 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3-bath home with a 3-car tandem garage. I want to bring you on inside this home today and look at this wonderful large front porch that you have out front of your home. This home will have a brick paver driveway with a brick paver sidewalk leading up to this beautiful front porch. As we come on inside the home here, you're going to see that we put trays up on our ceiling. We have 2 bedrooms on this side of the home with a full bath, and another bedroom on the other side with a full bath. All the vanities in these spare bedrooms or bathrooms are raised. And then as we step on out in here to our gathering room, breakfast nook, look at this tray ceiling. Absolutely gorgeous. We have 12 feet of glass sliding doors that can slide from either side as well. Opens up into the back. You can see more than enough room to put a pool in. Over on this side over here, you have a beautiful breakfast nook. And look at this kitchen. Absolutely gorgeous with these white cabinets, this gorgeous granite. We have the deluxe kitchen, so you're going to have over here an oven, microwave, and a flat cooktop. And the pantry is just huge. It's extremely deep. And it actually goes around. I can sort of disappear and it just keeps going. So it's a large pantry. And as we spin around here, you have the owner's suite back on this side, but look at these windows in your breakfast nook area. A lot of natural light comes in this home. And then as we step on outside here, you have a beautiful lanai. We built this half wall over here, and we did pre-plumb it for an outdoor kitchen. So come on by Timberland Ridge and see myself or my partner, Kelly, who's actually my wife as well. We'd love to show you this home and sell it. Thanks, bye.